guys, it's Tim from Guys Junkies here again, and I just want to show you what I did here today. It ain't perfect at all, it's kind of rigged up, but I happened to install some line locks, and they do work. I'm going to go test them out later here. I did make sure that they held, they did hold. I didn't do any burnouts yet because I don't want to piss off the neighbors, but it wasn't too, as you see, the brake lines are kind of really bent over. They were honestly probably too long if I had shorter ones. I bought the Summit Universal kit, and it came with 4 brake lines, and it came with one 10-inch or 12-inch, two 20-inch, and the one was like almost 30 inches, and the 12-inch was too short, and the 20 inches were just too long. If I had one in between, I probably would have been set. But I'll give this thing a try and get a burnout for you guys. Bit of water, but it did work pretty good. A little bit of rubber back here.